Hello everyone. So in this video let's see about the next non-thermal processing technique, that is the high pressure processing. So high pressure processing. So what is actually high pressure processing and what is the principle behind it? This is also another non-thermal preservative method or technique, and where the food is subjected to extremely high hydrostatic pressure, that is nearly 400 to 600 megapascal of pressure is being applied, and here the pressure is transmitted uniformly by the use of water acting equally from all the directions, and the process will cause a minimal temperature increase so that food is not cooked initially, and this will help to preserve the natural color, flavor, texture and the nutritional quality of the particular food. So this is the basic principle behind the HPP. So in the picture you can understand how that HPP processing has been done. So this is the flow chart of how the microbial inoculation, that is inactivation, actually occurs in high pressure processing technique. So first we are going to apply the high pressure, that at that time when the pressure is applied, all the proteins and enzymes present in the food materials get denatured, and then after which the cell membrane structure will get disrupted and it would leak the intracellular compounds, and then it leads to damage the DNA and the RNA of the particular food material, and then after which the microbial metabolism and replication will be undergoing a microbial cell inactivation, and then finally the death of the microorganisms occurs. So this is the equipment that is used for the processing of the high pressure processing, and how the process goes. It's like the equipment consists of a very thick walled pressure vessel that is mainly made of the stainless steel material. So this vessel is like completely it is filled with the pressure transmitting fluid, that is usually only water is being used as a fluid, and the food products are sealed with the flux that is being loaded into the vessel. So now the high pressure is created inside the vessel by the use of the pressure pumps, and the pressure is then held for some specific time, nearly 1 to 10 minutes, after which it is being held for some time in order to release the pressure rapidly. Then the food is being treated with HPP is removed and then stored under appropriate or refrigerated conditions. So what is the advantages by using the non-thermal technique of HPP is nothing but, first it will help to preserve the fresh taste of the food, color and the texture, and as well as the nutritional components that are present in the food. It will help to inactivate the harmful microorganisms within the food without the use of exposing it to the very high temperatures, and also it will extend the shelf life of the particular food while maintaining the quality of the food also. And here it does not need any chemical preservatives, and it also gives a supporting clean label foods, more suitable for heat sensitive food materials and minimally processed food products. It will ensure a very high food safety with only very little quantity loss of the food. So coming to the commercial applications of HPP, where it is being applied, the HPP technique. Widely it is being used in the processing of fruit juice, smoothies, purees and the guacamole, and applied in ready to eat meat and poultry products in the concern of safety aspects, and more used in seafood products to inactivate the Vibrio species that are present in the seafoods, and it increasingly used in baby foods and selected dairy products, and more popular in the premium and minimally processed food products. So mostly the HPP process is being commercially applied in most of the food processing industries. So this is the overall concept map of how the high pressure processing technique is being applied to any type of food material. So based on the food safety and nutritional retention and uniform processing has to be undergone in order to preserve the particular food material in aspect of texture, flavor, retention and packaging quality, shelf life. All these things are being considered during the processing of HPP. So how we can relate it with the design thinking? First we have to understand the user need and market needs. Based on that we can empathize and clarify the HPP problem, and then we can define